the world of Starlink and challenge myself to find out what really makes it so fast and reliable. Starlink has been making waves in the world of satellite internet, boasting speeds and reliability that leave many traditional providers in the dust. But what exactly sets it apart? Traditional internet providers have long struggled with issues like latency and connectivity problems. Latency, or the delay between sending and receiving data, can make online activities like video conferencing or gaming a frustrating experience. And let's not forget about connectivity issues. There's nothing more annoying than your internet dropping in the middle of an important task. These problems are often caused by the physical distance between your device and the nearest server, as well as the number of hops your data takes to get there. Another challenge faced by traditional providers is the limited capacity of their infrastructure. As more and more people rely on the internet for their daily lives, existing networks can become overwhelmed, leading to slower speeds and dropped connections. And then there's the issue of rural access. Many areas still lack reliable internet options, making it difficult for residents to access basic services or participate in online activities. The digital divide between urban and rural areas is a significant concern, with many rural communities lacking access to fast and reliable internet. This can have serious consequences, from limiting economic opportunities to making it harder for students to complete their homework. So, how does Starlink overcome these challenges? Starlink's secret sauce lies in its satellite constellation, which consists of thousands of small satellites in low Earth orbit. By placing these satellites much closer to Earth than traditional satellites, Starlink reduces the distance data travels, resulting in significantly lower latency. The satellites are also equipped with advanced technology that enables them to communicate with each other and with ground stations more efficiently. Starlink's low Earth orbit is a game changer. At just 550 kilometers above the surface, these satellites are much closer than their counterparts in geostationary orbit, which can be tens of thousands of kilometers away. This proximity reduces the time it takes for data to travel between the satellite and the user's dish, making the internet experience feel much more responsive. But that's not all. Starlink's system also uses advanced beam-forming technology to focus its signal directly onto specific areas, increasing the overall capacity of the network and reducing congestion. And with its phased array antennas, Starlink's satellites can adapt to changing conditions and optimize their performance in real time. One of the most compelling stories about Starlink comes from a rural resident who was able to get online for the first time thanks to the service. Before Starlink, this person had no reliable internet access, making it difficult to work from home or access basic services. But with Starlink, they were able to get online and start enjoying the benefits of the digital age. This success story is just one example of how Starlink is changing lives. By providing fast and reliable internet access to underserved areas, Starlink is helping to bridge the digital divide and create new opportunities for people around the world. And with its ongoing efforts to expand its network and improve its performance, Starlink is poised to continue making a significant impact in the world of internet services. The impact of Starlink on rural communities cannot be overstated. For the first time, many residents have access to fast and reliable internet, enabling them to participate fully in the digital economy. So, what makes Starlink so fast and reliable? It all comes down to its innovative technology, including its satellite constellation, low Earth orbit, and advanced beam-forming capabilities. By combining these elements, Starlink is able to provide a fast, reliable, and responsive internet experience that's unmatched by many traditional providers. If you've had any experience with Starlink or other satellite internet services, I'd love to hear about it in the comments. And if you're interested in learning more about emerging internet technologies, be sure to check out my next video on the latest advancements in 5G networking.